to a new video. Today I'm going to be working on 2 wholesale orders, a lip scrub wholesale order and a wand tube order. I'm going to start off with the lip scrubs. I just have to make up cherry and strawberry. I already have bubblegum and marshmallow done. And then we're going to start filling the jars. So let's go ahead and get started because I'm trying to ship these off today. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but I've been doing a lot, so I decided to take yesterday to like kind of relax. So I'm up this morning getting these orders done, and then I'm gonna drop them off at the post office. So I actually don't remember if I said it, but I had to make 20 lip scrubs, 5 of each. So that's not a lot at all. So it shouldn't take me too long to do this. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. So if you have a business, how is it going so far? If you don't, are you thinking about starting one or starting one back up? Mine is going pretty good. Right now I feel like I'm going through a phase where I'm trying to like get it back popping how it was, because it definitely slowed down a lot. So now I just have to work on getting it back to how it was and like flowing consistently, where I'm getting orders every week. But that definitely takes a lot of work, a lot of promoting, which I haven't been doing. So you definitely, like, when you're having a business, you have to hold yourself accountable and just do better. And I gotta do better. I have to go back to posting like I was. But yeah, it's going pretty good. It's going pretty good, but it definitely could be better. Leave in the comments, how's your business going? This is how the lip scrubs look. Hopefully we have enough so I don't have to make any more. Strawberry, cherry, marshmallow, and bubblegum. Excuse my napkin. It's just a bunch of oil from the lip scrub. Now we are doing marshmallow and then cherry, and then we'll be done with the lip scrub. So after I'm done with this one, I'm gonna take a few pictures for the thumbnail and Instagram, and then close them up. And then we'll start working on the wand tube order. Here are the lip scrubs, the beautiful lip scrubs. We have strawberry, bubblegum, marshmallow, and cherry. Very beautiful color combo. Definitely reminds me of Valentine's Day. It just fits. I know that you all enjoyed watching me create these lip scrubs and fill the jars. If you are still watching to this point, leave a red emoji in the comments. Any red emoji. Leave it in the comments if you're still here, still watching. So yeah, in the next clip, we will be filling some wand tubes for wholesale. She just ordered 20 of them, so it should definitely not take long. And you already know what she ordered, nude glosses. But that is definitely not all that we offer. We have over 20 colors. I just added some new colors about 2 weeks ago, 5 new colors. Very, very beautiful. That video may already be up. If it is, I'm gonna put it on the screen for y'all. Make sure you go check it out. Very beautiful colors. You're gonna hear me say that literally throughout the whole video. I'm obsessed with those glosses. So beautiful. So we definitely offer way more than nude glosses, but those are our most popular. If you wanna, you know, be different, step your brain up some more levels, we got some new colors to choose from. She wants 4 go-getter, 4 dream chaser, 3 billionaire, 3 wealthy, 3 high class, and 3 millionaire. So that is real simple, real easy, real quick. In order for me to go back to getting consistent with posting on Instagram, I have to get Instagram content. So I'm going to take out, I guess 1 of each will be fine. Yeah, I'm gonna take out 1 of each. And then I'm going to fill the rest with you guys. If you follow my Instagram and if you've been on my page, I have like switched up my theme, kinda-ish. So I like how it is. I like how it is now. So basically, can y'all like tell what I'm doing? So I like for it to I don't even know how to explain it. I like for it to match. So this is what I posted, what, yesterday, I think? Well, I posted that yesterday. But you see how, boom, we took a picture, got a filling video, then I decided to post about the empty wand tubes. And then these are the new glosses. Then we had a Glisten Glam Squeeze Tube order. So basically, I'm just like trying to make it match somewhat. This is my theme. So I was just using these, so they actually don't need to be filled up a lot. Like Billionaire is good. Wealthy may be good, but I'm gonna fill it up just a little bit more. This is the finishing product. 20 glosses in total. Go Getter, Billionaire, Dream Chaser, Millionaire, High Class, and Wealthy. Wholesale is available. All these glosses are available in jars if you would like to fill your own tubes. And these glosses are also available for retail. Prices and more information about our products are located on our site, nayasbeautybar.com. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're still here, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching until the end. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram, shop Naya's Beauty Bar. And if you would like to shop, nayasbeautybar.com. Support the brand. If you can't shop, like, comment, save the post on Instagram, share these videos for me. Everything helps. It helps me reach more people. I will see you guys in the next video.